Good morning, students. After completion of differences between physical absorption and chemical absorption, and also adsorption isotherms. So, how many types of absorption isotherms? Two types. So, one is Freundlich adsorption isotherms. Second one is Langmuir adsorption isotherms. So, what are isotherms? Isotherms means now at constant temperature, a graph or plot drawn between pressure and volumes. Okay. So now after completion of absorption isotherms, then the next topic is catalysis. So what is catalysis? Simply it is the process. In this process, the substance which increases rate of reaction is called catalyst. So now simply catalyst increases. What is a catalyst? Increases rate of reaction. Rate of reaction. So increases rate of reaction means, in simple words, fastness to increase the fastness of the reaction, speed up the reaction by the external substance to the chemical reaction. So the substance which increases speed of reaction or rate of reaction is called catalyst. What is a catalyst? Actually, catalysts are many types. So, like what is positive catalyst, negative catalyst, and also neutral catalyst. Positive catalyst, negative catalyst, neutral catalyst, and also self catalyst also. Self catalyst means there is no addition of externally catalyst to the reaction. So, in the reaction, the obtained product act as catalyst in the reaction is autocatalysis or self-catalysis. Okay. So then, based on the physical state, what is it? Based on the physical state of reactants and catalyst, the chemical reactions are classified into two types. One is homogeneous catalysis. Second one is heterogeneous catalysis. These two types of catalysis reactions are based on physical state of the reactants and physical state of the catalyst. So now, if reactants and catalyst are present in same phase, okay, are present in what is the same phase, reactants and catalyst are present in same phase, is called homogeneous catalysis. So for example, reactant solid, catalyst also solid. Reactant liquid, catalyst liquid. For example, reactant gas and catalyst also gas. So these are the homogeneous catalysis. It means reactant and catalyst in same phase is called homogeneous catalysis. So hetero means different. What is hetero means? Different. Homo means same. Homo means same. So now in these reactions, reactants and catalyst are present in different phases. What is a different phases? So for example, reactant liquid, it is gas. It is gas, it is a solid. So different phases, reactant and catalyst are present in different phase is called heterogeneous. Reactant and catalyst are present in same phase is called homogeneous. So now some examples of the homogeneous and heterogeneous. So now first one is homogeneous. First example, lead chamber process. So actually this process is used by the preparation of sulfur trioxide, SO3. So preparation of sulfur trioxide by lead chamber process. So now wherein SO3 combines with O2 in the presence of NO or NO2 catalyst, it gives SO3. So wherein SO3 and oxygen both are reactants, its physical state is gas and gas. So now reactants physical states are gas. So now what are the catalysts in this reaction? What are the catalysts in this reaction? NO, nitric oxide. or NO2, nitrogen dioxide. So its physical state also gas. So reactants gas, catalyst gas. So it is homogeneous. So next one is preparation of carbon dioxide by carbon monoxide and oxygen. So carbon monoxide gas, oxygen gas, catalyst is NO, it is also gas. So reactants and products are reactants and catalysts are present in same phase. So third one is hydrolysis of ester. What is a hydrolysis of ester in presence of acid? So actually acid means what is acid means actually acid is ionized in water, it gives H plus ions. According to Arrhenius theory, acid must be contains H plus ions. So now hydrolysis means react with water. Ester, wherein ester. So generally ester's representation is RCOOR. What is it? RCOOR, the esters. R is alkyl. COO, it is another alkyl. So it is CH3 methyl alkyl. COO, C2H5 ethyl. Methyl, ethyl, ether. So it is the ester. Hydrolysis means react with water in the presence of acid. Acid must be contains H plus ions. So now reactants, methyl ethyl ester is liquid, water liquid. Acid also what is liquid. So reactants phase is liquid, catalyst phase also liquid. So then liquid. So same phase. So it is homogeneous. So next fourth example is hydrolysis of sucrose in mineral acid. Mineral acid means it is also what is H plus. So H plus is liquid. So sucrose C12H22O11, C12H22O11, it is liquid. Sucrose solution. So then it is soluble in water. So water liquid, sucrose liquid, mineral acid also liquid. So reactants, catalyst present in same phase. So these are all are examples of homogeneous. So next heterogeneous. What is heterogeneous? Reactants and catalysts are present in different phases. So now first one is preparation of SO3 by contact process. Actually, it is also preparation of SO3. It is the lead chamber process. It is the contact process. So the processor changes, catalyst also changes. So then SO2 plus O2 in the presence of what is platinum or vanadium pentoxide. V2O5 is the vanadium pentoxide. So reactants phase is gas. Catalyst, platinum is solid, vanadium pentoxide also solid. So gas, solid, different phase. Next second one is preparation of ammonia by Haber's process. Preparation of ammonia by Haber's process. Nitrogen gas, hydrogen gas. So this reaction undergoes in the presence of iron catalyst and molybdenum is the promoter. So what is the function of promoter? Promoter increases the rate of reaction or activity of catalyst. So what is the function of catalyst? Catalyst increases the rate of reaction. So now reactant physical state is gas. Catalyst and promoter physical state are solids. So gas is solid, different phase. So now third one is oxidation of NH3. Oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of electron or removal of hydrogen. So oxidation of ammonia in the presence of nitric oxide by Ostwald's process. The process name is Ostwald's process. So in this process, catalyst is what is a platinum gauge. What is a platinum gauge? It means simply oxidation of NH3 into NO. So NH3 with hydrogens, NO with oxygens. So NH3 lose of hydrogens and gain of oxygens, it is oxidation reaction. So ammonia gas, oxygen gas. So reactant physical